The best blender is the perfect kitchen appliance for adding more healthy fruit and vegetables to your diet. Many blenders are designed to tackle even tough ingredients like kale, frozen berries, and ice cubes. A blender is the only machine in your kitchen that can produce a beverage from chunks of ice and fruit in less than 60 seconds. There are many products available to choose blenders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best blenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Videom Mixer Grinder. Self-locking jars ensure secure mating of jar with mixer base, eliminating wear and tear of couplers, and allows for easy pick and place of jars. Tri-mate couplers are self-aligning, high-strength and designed to withstand the high torque and load required for tough grinding applications. 5-year warranty on motor and 2-year warranty on product. Aria Cooltech motor, patent pending, with the unique air pump quadro-flow system and fully enclosed dielectric motor casing, provides 40% more cooling, 20% more torque, 20% more power and 10% less power consumption. Ergonomic sturdy chromed handles incorporates the square shank bolt and nut technology, safeguards the handles, firmly securing them to the jar, and will never loosen over the lifetime of the product. The Vortex Flow SS304 blades are dynamically balanced, eliminates vibration and doubles bush life. This is a process that is unique to Videom mixer grinders. Self-lubricating bronze bushes guarantees years of trouble-free operation. The company successfully migrated the business in 2011 and began a new chapter with innovative kitchen appliances under the brand name Videom. Number 2. KEN 16083 Super Power Grinder and Blender. High-speed operation. Everybody loves when tough tasks get done within minutes. KEN Super Power Grinder and Blender has a 30,000 RPM electronic variable speed operation that blends and grinds about anything from a smoothie to chutney, dosa batter, or grind raw haldi in just a few swirls. Quality BPA-free and stainless steel jars. With this grinder and blender, you'll get 1 BPA-free wet blending jar and 2 stainless steel jars with a thickness of 1.0 mm for durability and hygienic operations. The jar's blades are made of SS304, with a thickness of 1.5 mm to grind blend the hard items like raw haldi and ice, for quickest and most even process. Also, not to miss the spill-proof lockable lids that ensure hands-free operation and avoids any spills or leakage. KEN Super Power Grinder and Blender has a pulse function for finishing quick chores, which makes it very useful for applications such as grinding chutney. With the speed control switch, you can adjust the speed precisely according to the specific ingredient or food item, so it doesn't lose its texture and offers the best results. Powerful motor. The Super Power Grinder and Blender is designed with 1200 W power and a high-performance 100% copper winded motor. Copper, being a metal of superior conductivity and low resistance, keeps the motor cool during the constant and longer use of the appliance. Overheating and overcurrent protection. KEN believes in offering you the safest kitchen appliance, thus designed Super Power Grinder and Blender, with overheating and overcurrent protection, that secures your appliance from a short circuit, in case of voltage fluctuation, and overheating, in case the appliance runs for very long. Number 3. Cookwell Bullet Mixer Grinder. Cookwell brings to you Bullet Mixer Blender Grinder. This multi-purpose device has sleek design and will give you outstanding performance. The super fast motor and sharpest steel blades break down the food completely, extracting all nutrients. When these juices are consumed, they help the body to absorb nutrients in the fruits and vegetables much better. Make healthy, tasty juices, smoothies, shakes with Cookwell Bullet Mixer. Also used for dry grinding the hardest spices like garam masala, jeera, etc. Make tasty chutney in seconds. Compact and consumes less space as compared to the bulky food processors and mixers. Gives you complete solution. You will pack your food processor away. No multiple and complicated attachments. 3 jars and 2 blades do all functions. Quick push start functioning, no buttons. Stylish design and elegant construction. Easy to operate, clean, detachable and easily washable parts. This complete kitchen machine offers all-in-one solution and performs 4 functions, those of a mixer, grinder, juicer and chopper. Blender for fresh and healthy vegetables or fruit juices in seconds, and grinder for dry spices and chutney. Number 4. NutriBullet Pro High Speed Blender. Includes 1 to 900 W motor base, 1 to 709 ml of tall cup, 1 to 532 ml short cup with holder, 1 to 532 ml short cup, 1 emulsifying blade, 1 lip ring, 1 flat blade, 2 lids, 1 pocket nutritionist, user book with recipe. High torque power base with powerful 900 watt motor. Handy countertop appliance that can pulverizes the toughest fruits, vegetables, seeds, and superfoods for nutritious protein shakes, nut butters and green smoothies. The unique bullet shape of the cups is the secret to the effectiveness of the NutriBullet. It comes with 2 short cups, 532 milliliters, and a tall cup, 709 milliliters, with lid and seasoning cap. Compact and consumes less space as compared to the bulky food processors and mixers you can drink from the same container you blend in, as the blending jar doubles as a travel cup. Number 5. Balzano High-Speed NutriBlender. Authentic and superior juicer mixer grinder developed with Indian expertise by Balzano, a leader in commercial and consumer mixing, grinding and blending. The Balzano NutriBlender 500W is designed in Italy. Superior mixing and grinding. Expertly designed system lets you effortlessly mix and grind the toughest ingredients in Indian cooking, both wet and dry, from turmeric and coconut to idli batter, smoothies and much more. Commercial grade components. Powerful 500-watt rated motor with overload protection for continuous operation. BPA-free Triton jars with Triton material imported from USA's single knob operation. Get the perfect control of your Balzano NutriBlender 500W with just one single knob. Easy twist operation allows you to pulse and blend or grind. Double safety interlock system. Jar and lid must be securely in place before blade or coupler will spin for convenient hands-free grinding. Stainless steel blade, specially designed blending blade and grinding blade, makes it easy to get the finest results in very less time. Leak-proof BPA-free Triton jars. Will not leak, crack or dent, thanks to robust double ball bearing cutter assemblies, premium stainless steel, and shatterproof Triton lids and locking tabs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.